drowning in subscriptions and want to take control. Let's break down Rocket Money Free versus Premium and figure out if that upgrade is actually worth your hard-earned cash. First up, the free version. You get powerful budgeting tools where you can visually track your spending habits. Connect your bank accounts and watch Rocket Money automatically categorize your transactions. The subscription tracking feature identifies recurring payments, showing you exactly where your money is going each month. And the net worth tracking gives you a snapshot of your financial health. Now, let's peek at what you're missing in the premium version. See those locked features. Premium unlocks bill negotiation services where Rocket Money will try to lower your bills for you. They can also cancel unwanted subscriptions on your behalf, saving you the hassle. You'll gain access to custom budgeting categories for hyper-specific tracking, unlimited budgets for total control, and priority premium support if you ever need a helping hand. So, is it worth it? Premium is great if you're short on time and want help negotiating bills and canceling subscriptions. But, ask yourself, are the potential savings greater than the premium subscription cost? If you're comfortable handling those tasks yourself, the free version might be all you need.